Welcome back Tino Quiz. Can you guess the fast food brand? We have 40 levels of emoji puzzles to test your foodie skills. You have 5 seconds per round. Let's go. Can you decode this brand? It's Burger King. Identify this famous icon. That's KFC, finger-lickin' good. Solve this emoji puzzle. That's McDonald's, I'm loving it. Guess the hidden brand. It's Pizza Hut. Can you name the brand? Star plus bucks? It's Starbucks. Decode this happy creature. That's Jollibee, a Filipino favorite. Solve this rebus puzzle. Easy, it's Domino's Pizza. What brand is this? Take the subway to Subway. Identify these clues. It's Taco Bell. Solve this food combo. Donut plus coffee, it's Dunkin'. Which brand is it? A panda that delivers? Panda Express. Which is worse? Fries without salt or pizza without cheese? Which brand is it? It's the Dairy Queen, best soft serve. Can you solve this riddle? A snowman's favorite? It's Mishwe. Can you name the company? This is the Pizza Company. Guess the brand name. Sailor plus chicken, it's Popeyes. Identify the mascot. Red pigtails? It's Wendy's. Which brand is it? "31 flavors of fun." It's Baskin Robbins. Can you guess this brand? It's Gatorade. Focus. Which box is hiding the fried chicken? The chicken is in the yellow box. Can you solve this brand? That's koi te. Can you identify the drink? It's Lipton. Guess the red bottle. That's Red Bull. Solve the castle mystery. A White Castle? That's White Castle. Guess the brand by color. Crispy and sweet, Krispy Kreme. Solve the talking bread. If bread could talk, bread talk. Identify the star. A star and a chicken? Texas chicken. Remember the positions of animals. Find the Coca-Cola cup. Can you name the brand? It's Five Guys, famous for burgers. Guess this burger brand. That's Carl's Jr. Which brand is it? Fast as a sonic boom. Sonic drive-in. Combine the clues. Apple plus a B? That's Applebee's. Can you decode this brand? Chicken with an A? Chick-fil-A. Would you rather free burgers for life or free bubble tea for life? Can you guess this brand? Wings and fries? Wingstop. Identify this famous icon. Burrito vibes. Chipotle. Identify the city. From Paris with love, Paris baguette. Guess the premium product. Pure luxury ice cream, Häagen-Dazs. Can you name this brand? Pure water, Evian. Can you name the brand? Monster Power, Monster Energy. How many did you get right? Comment your score and find the hidden chicken in the yellow box. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.